It's recording? Okay, yeah, it is. Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little minute, I know, but we back. Yes, we're back.
Why the hell you had to go and do that? Then you act like it's nothing wrong. Ankle bracelet and shoes, Alexander Wayne. Lil' Scotty Pippen, yeah, he got some player ways. But the way your shit hit me like dope.
Alright, y'all, let's get straight into this recipe. I love this dish. It's so good, y'all. Here, I'm just boiling my crab legs, and I am going to season it with some of my crab boil seasoning. And I'm going to just let this cook for about 15 minutes on a medium high heat.
Cooling in a V-long sweater, V-long stick with a drum on my left is a 40 Glock trying this won't be clever. Why you keep trimming on me trying to throw nigga off?
Now I'm gonna use this in-home smokeless grill to grill my shrimp, and I actually like this grill because it doesn't give off a lot of smoke, and I'm inside. I don't have to be outside, so that's a plus. But I've already seasoned my shrimp. I'm gonna let it cook on each side for about 4 minutes. And right now, the shrimp is cooking. It's not more so giving off smoke, it's more so giving off steam. So, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I actually like this grill.
But I gotta keep it real for the one time. I'm all getting paper, getting zigzag. But would I be lying if I say you wanna know my mind? But would I be lying if I say you wanna know my mind? But would I be lying if I say you wanna know my mind? I be lying if I say you wanna know my head. Think about the situation, throwing back me. Tell you don't really wanna love me, you scared. Feel like I'ma break a little heart, but don't feel. Real deep boy.
Alright, now that my shrimp is done cooking, I'm gonna cut me up some fresh garlic and fresh parsley for my spaghetti sauce.
Just to make it, gotta know this and for the week. She get designer and some flowers every week. She ain't even telling me what I did. I keep on talking, you ain't even tryna hear. Cut the cat, all that other shit weak. You looking too fine, baby, come here. Yeah. Why the hell you had to go and do that? Then you act like there's nothing wrong with that. I done fucked around, now I threw another one back. Yeah, forever I'm good, yeah, wherever I'm at. If I ever left you, what's the wrong me ever say? Smell the powder perfume when I hit it from the beat. You got dope like Craig, I just keep on coming back. Fight you with another nigga, then I'm shooting at his ass. Excuse me, I know this ain't how I feel, but I gotta keep it real for the one time. I'm all getting paper, getting zigzag. But would I be lying if I say you wanna know my mind? But would I be lying if I say you wanna know my mind?
So, this part is very tedious because, yes, I did cut open each crab leg and take the crab meat out. That's just what you gotta do if you want that real fresh crab in your spaghetti, period.
Run that money counter, baby.
I get double for purr. Double what you deserve. All I need is a head nod, I don't even need a word. And my heart full of hurt. Beat the block, go to work. Ran out of runs and gelato, so I'm smoking shirt. Got it, keep it solid, never go back on your word. Try how being hard to jump, do cartwheels on the curb. Try how being hard to just gon' backflip off the curb. Trying to caliber back in while I'm beat the buffer perk.
Moving on to my spaghetti sauce, I've melted about 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm gonna saute some fresh garlic for about 2 minutes. Now, after I finish cooking my garlic for about 2 minutes, I'm going to add in my spaghetti sauce.
Let me tell you something that I know. I get double for purr. Double what you deserve. All I need is a head nod, I don't even need a word. And my heart full of hurt. Beat the block, go to work. Ran out of runs and gelato, so I'm smoking shirt. Got it, keep it solid, never go back on your word. Try how being hard to jump, do
Now, while it's cooking on a medium-low heat, I'm going to prepare my garlic bread. Instead of melting the butter, I use the soft squeezable butter that's in the bottle. And I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil and some fresh garlic and fresh parsley.
Shit, keep making progress at faces. When I'm busting blue faces, I get double for purr. Double for what you deserve. All I need is a head nod, I don't even need a word. And my heart full of hurt. Beat the block, go to work. Ran out of runs and gelato, so I'm smoking shirt. Got it, keep it solid, never go back on your word. Try how big, hard to jump, do cartwheels all the curb.
Now I'm using French baguette for my garlic bread. Now you want to preheat your oven to 375, and here I am simply spreading the mixture evenly on top of the bread using a basting brush.
Ain't doing no sneaking, no dissing, you hit. Nigga, the shoe fit. Where? The little bit tripping already, I ain't even give it a dick.
Next, I'm sprinkling some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese on top of the bread.
Paparazzi and I gotta fight it off. Always run to the smoke, we ain't hot at all. Niggas swear that they slicking them baby up. Sweep them up with a broomstick. Shaking my cringy like cool.
I'm just taking my extra parsley and adding it on top of the bread as well.
They say they young nigga, they out of control. These nigga hoes need to get exposed. If you wanna deal, better gun on the lows. Cause none of this shit could go for the low. Jigging exotic OG and some lows. Hopping in the street like jump, bro. Automatic whip walking out the front door. Hold up, let me get my weed roll. Hold up, let me get my drink pole. Slowed up, now we having bank rolls. On us, nigga how the lights shine on us. Live by your life, 5 racks, all hundreds. Bought my newborn, some Balenciaga runners. Put up to the hood, it was hotter than the sun. All it takes is one word, get you roll like fun. Ain't doing no sneaking, no dissing, you hit. Nigga, the shoe fit. Where? The little bit tripping already, I ain't even.
Now back to my spaghetti sauce. I'm adding in a can of diced tomatoes. I'm gonna stir this up and I'm adding my seafood next. I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on a medium-low heat.
Shaking my cringy like cool. Pink faces, whole bunch of blue script. Buzz a bit down like a news script. Doing the dash, I won't lose. Stand in the mode, do dash. Bitch, I'm going too fast. Don't need help trying to dodge my past. Watch him come back fast when you give him straight glass. Baby girl, your boyfriend going out back. Can't even call diamonds cause you know they glad. It's just one of them days. Gotta pour, produce and eliminate. Hey. Free out my dog, nigga, that's automatic. RP to the gang, nigga, that's automatic. Loyalty first, nigga, that's automatic. Go get you some money, yeah, that's automatic. Ain't nigga gotta show it, they know that we have. If we find out he's telling, we killing the rest. Some sit you ain't gon' leave your body intact. Custom garments and monkey all over my back. Ain't doing no sneaking, no dissing, you hit. Nigga, the shoe fit. Where? The little bit tripping already, I ain't even give it a dick. The stick gon' make a loud noise, go boom whenever it hit. So proud of my team, my game, my niggas, we never gon' miss.
Yeah, y'all already know what's going on. It's your boy Scully checking in, and I just wanted to let y'all know my favorite part. Y'all can't forget that seasoning. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Doing the dash, I won't lose.
I'm adding in a little bit of red crushed peppers just to spice it up a little bit. Adding your parsley to top it off, and boom, there you go.
I seen a lot of shit before my eyes, and it changed the way a nigga felt inside. Like, ooh, that nigga hard, you can't deny. Everywhere I go, I gotta keep it glizzy. Serving them junkies trying to dodge the penitentiary. Give get richer, dad tryna drum on 50. They just let my partner out the gym, amen. The same one that on Dozy Doe, it made me pop them Zane. Kilo just had my baby girl, it's time to be a man. A lot of shit going on, gotta keep going on, yeah. A whole lot of